So this is a circle. Okay, this is a circle. Let me draw the circle here. ये सर्कल बनाया है. ओके, अब इस सर्कल में ये एक मैंने रे बनाया समझो, और ये एक दूसरा मैंने ये रे बनाया. ओके, और इसका जो इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है वो ये कर रहा है ए पॉइंट में, ये कर रहा है बी पॉइंट में. दिस इज सेंटर ऑफ अ सर्कल विच इज ओ. दिस इज रेडियस आर. दिस इज अगेन रेडियस आर, और दिस एंगल इज थीटा. And this distance from here to here, matlab length of arc AB, that is your S. I want to find what? I want to find the area of the sector. What is the area of the sector? This is called sector. ये जो एरिया है ना, ये इसको सेक्टर कहते हैं, राइट? ये मुझे फाइंड करना है. कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? देखो, जब यहां से लेके यहां तक पूरा एंगल होता है, कहां से कहां तक? यहां से लेके यहां तक कितना डिग्री बनाता है वो बनाता है एंगल जो है, वो जो एंगल जो बनाएगा वो 360 डिग्री बनाएगा. ठीक है, 360 डिग्री. तो एरिया क्या होगा? एरिया होगा एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल. क्या है एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल? पाई आर स्क्वायर. पाई आर स्क्वायर इज द एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल. लेकिन मुझे क्या फाइंड करना है? मुझे फाइंड करना है जब थीटा एंगल होता है, जब थीटा एंगल होता है तब एरिया क्या बनेगा, वो मुझे फाइंड करना है. मतलब आई नीड टू फाइंड ए. So how I'll find? I will simply do cross multiplication. So what will be the A? The A over here will be theta upon 360 into pi r square. This is the important formula to find the area of sector. Now let's understand how to find the length of an arc. मतलब ये S कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? सेम तरीका है उसको फाइंड करने का. ठीक है, क्या है इधर देख ले. ठीक है, अगर मेरा एंगल बन रहा है 360 डिग्री, कहां से कहां तक? यहां से लेके यहां तक पूरा. ठीक है, तो ये जो लेंथ बनेगी, लेंथ वो क्या होगी? वो होगी 2 पाई आर. क्यों? क्योंकि सर्कमफेरेंस ऑफ ए सर्कल 2 पाई आर होता है, इसलिए. लेकिन अगर 360 डिग्री नहीं है, समझो थीटा डिग्री है, ठीक है, तो मेरा लेंथ क्या होगा? वो एस होगा, और मुझे एस की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. तो कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? सेम तरीका. क्या? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो. तो जब क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया तो एस की वैल्यू क्या मिली? एस की वैल्यू मिली थीटा अपॉन 360 इंटू 2 पाई आर. ओके, नाउ fine. So here this is what is the formula or to find the length of this particular arc. लेकिन मुझे ये जो 360 डिग्री जो दिख रहा है ना, ये दिस इज डिग्री. आई वांट टू कन्वर्ट दिस डिग्री इनटू व्हाट? रेडियन. ये जो थीटा जो है, ये इसको रेडियन मानो. ठीक है, दिस इज रेडियन. तो आई वांट टू कन्वर्ट दिस 360 आल्सो इन रेडियन. सो व्हाट विल बी द कन्वर्शन ऑफ 360 डिग्री इन रेडियन? It will be 2 pi into 2 pi r. तो ये 2 और 2 कैंसल, pi और pi कैंसल. So what is the length of the arc? The length of the arc which we have got is r theta. This is second most important formula. Okay, understood this? Okay, so now exercise 1. The diameter of a circle is 14 centimeter. Find the length of an arc subtending an angle at 54 degree at the center. So here diameter is 14 centimeter. So you will get radius r as 7 centimeter. Now their angle is what? 54 degree at the center. But we will going to convert that degree into radian by multiplying 54 by pi by 180. Okay, and then directly we will going to apply the formula to find the length of an arc. That is S is equal to r theta. ठीक है, r is 7 and the theta is 3 pi by 10. Just multiply, calculate, you will get the answer. Here pi, they have substituted the value of pi as 22 by 7, and the length of an arc which they have found is 6.6 centimeter. Okay. Okay, in question number 2, in a circle of radius 12 centimeter, an arc PQ subtend an angle of 30 degree at the center. find the area between the arc and the chord. Okay, so this is the circle whose radius is 12 centimeter and it is subtended at angle of 30 degree at center of the circle. So first job is to convert that angle from degree to radian by multiplying by pi into pi by 180. So you got theta as pi by 6 radian. Now angle of the sector is, we have the formula to find the area angle of the area of the sector, that is OPQ is equal to half r स्क्वायर थीटा. ये हाफ r स्क्वायर थीटा कैसे आया ये मैं अभी समझाता हूँ. ओके okay, so area of sector OPQ, that we have to find. How to find? From where this we got this formula? We got this formula from here. So area of sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square. ठीक है, लेकिन मुझे ये जो एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर जो है उसमें मुझे ये जो 360 डिग्री जो है उसको मुझे कन्वर्ट करना है रेडियन में. कैसे करूंगा कन्वर्ट? 2 पाई 360 is nothing but 2 pi. Theta is in radian into pi r square. This pi and pi is getting cancelled and area of the sector what I am getting is half theta into r square. ये half theta into r square वो ही यहाँ लिखा है half r square theta. ठीक है, r की वैल्यू 12 है, सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. थीटा की वैल्यू पाई बाय 6 से सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. कैलकुलेट, यू विल गेट 12 पाई square centimeter as area of the sector. But we need to find what? We need to find this area between this chord and this arc. So for that what we will do? We will going to find area of triangle OPQ. So what is area of triangle OPQ? Half into base into height. Now here you will see OPQ, base is your radius and height is your RQ. So when you do sin theta is height upon hypotenuse, which is radius. Okay, so here you got that QR as 12 into half, that is 6 centimeter, which is nothing but the height of triangle OPQ, whose base is radius, that is 12 centimeter. So calculate this, you will get answer 36 square centimeter. Required area will be what? Area of sector minus area of triangle OPQ, which comes to this 12 and then within bracket pi minus 3 square centimeter will be the final answer. In example number 3, the area of the circle is 225 pi square centimeter. Find the length of its arc subtending an angle of 120 degree at the center. Also find the area of the corresponding sector. Okay, so area is given to you, that is 225 pi square centimeter. So I know the formula of area of the circle, that is pi r square. So with this you will get the radius, that is 15 centimeter. Okay, and angle subtended at center is 120 degree. You will going to convert that into radian by multiplying into pi by 180 degree. Okay, and then once you got area, radius and theta, then directly you will going to apply the formula of length of an arc, that is r theta, to, and then you will get the answer as 10 pi. Similarly, area of that sector is half r square theta. You will going to substitute the value of r as 15 and theta as 2 pi by 3. You will get area as 75 pi square centimeter. Got it? Fine. So area of the circle. So I will draw the circle. Okay. Now the area of this circle is given to me, that is 225 pi square centimeter. Find the length of an arc subtending an angle at 120 degree of 120 degree at the center. मतलब एक आर्क है ऐसा, वो जो सबटेंड कर रहा है, ठीक है, सेंटर ऑफ ए सर्कल पे, और ये जो एंगल बन रहा है ये बन रहा है 120 डिग्री. क्या फाइंड करना है? फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग सेक्टर. सो आई नीड टू फाइंड एरिया ऑफ दिस सेक्टर. दिस सेक्टर का एरिया मुझे निकालना है. फाइन. तो सबसे पहले मुझे उसके लिए रेडियस की जरूरत पड़ेगी. तो क्या करूंगा? एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल क्या है? पाई आर स्क्वायर. सो आई विल गोइंग टू इक्वेट दिस 2 pi r square. Okay, with this I will get the value of r as 15 centimeter. This pi and pi will get cancelled. R will be square root of 225, which is 15 centimeter. This theta is 120 degree is given to me. I will going to convert this in radian by multiplying by pi by 180 degree. So I will get this L in radian. Now we have a direct formula to find the length of an arc. What is that formula? S is equal to R theta. With this I will get the length of the arc, that is 10 pi. Now I also have another formula to find the area of sector. What is that formula? It is half r square theta. This is that formula. With this formula I will get this particular area of the sector. What is the area of the sector? It is pi into r, 2 pi by 3 is equal to, when you solve this you will get 75 pi square centimeter. Okay, this is area of the circle, not this sector. So 225 pi is the area of the circle. अभी समझ में आ गया? नहीं समझ में आया? Now in question number 4, the perimeter of a sector is equal to half of the circumference of a circle. Find the measure of angle of sector at the center in radius. ठीक है, तो perimeter of a sector पूछा है, मतलब length of OA plus length of OB plus measure of arc APB. ठीक है, इसको बोलेंगे perimeter of this sector. This is equal to what? Half of perimeter of, नहीं, half of circumference. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So half of 2 pi r. This 2 cancel, I will get pi r. This OA is r, OB is r. Length of arc APB is equal to r theta by the formula. R will cancel from everywhere. Okay, and I will get 2 plus theta is equal to pi. So theta is what? Pi minus 2 radian. Understood? Now in question number 5 also, a pendulum of length 21 centimeter oscillates through an angle of 36 degree. मतलब ये length of the pendulum means it is a radius. So 21 centimeter is a radius. It is oscillating through an angle of 36 degree. मतलब ये 36 degree दिया है ऊपर. This is your 36 degree. Okay, what you have to find? Length of the arc. मतलब ये path. Length of this arc AB. Direct formula. What is that? S is equal to r theta. R is given to you, that is 21 centimeter, and degree is 36 degree. You will going to convert this 36 degree into radian. That will be pi by 5. Substitute these values and you will get the length of the path, which comes to 13.2 centimeter. Now solve example number 6. A B C D E F G H is a regular octagon inscribed in a circle of radius 9 centimeter. Find the length of the minor arc AB. ठीक है, ये देखो कैसे किया है इसको सॉल्व. ये ऑक्टागन है. ऑक्टागन मतलब कितनी साइड्स? नंबर ऑफ साइड्स विल बी 8. ओके, सो हियर radius r is given as 9 centimeter and theta will be 360 upon 8, which comes to 45 degree. Okay, now length of an arc AB is r theta. So r is given to you, that is 9, and theta is given to you, that is pi by 4. Okay, so answer will be 9 pi by 4 centimeter. Understood? Okay, so exercise 1.2, find the length of an arc of the circle. So let me draw the circle. Okay, so this is a circle. I need to find the length of an arc of a circle which subtend an angle of 108. So let me consider this particular angle. Okay, this particular angle at center of a circle be 108 degree. Okay, and I need to find this length from here to here. This S I need to find. What is the formula for S? S is equal to r theta. And if the radius of a circle is 15 centimeters, so radius is given to you. Okay, radius is given to you, that is 15 centimeter, and theta is given to you, that is 108 degree. I will going to convert that degree into radian by multiplying by pi by 180 degree. Okay, so when you solve this, you will get answer as 9 pi. 9 pi centimeter will be the length of the arc. Understood? So here it says the radius of the circle is 9 centimeters. So I need to draw the circle. Okay, the radius of the circle is 9 centimeters. So I will going to draw the radius also. Find the length of an arc of this circle, which cuts off a chord of length equal to the length of the radius. Okay, so I will have this particular radius and this particular chord. ठीक है, तो वो क्या बोल रहा है, द रेडियस of the circle is 9 centimeters. This is your 9 centimeter. This is your 9 centimeter. Find the length of an arc. It means I need to find this length of an arc, which is S. This I need to find. Find the length of an arc of this circle, which cuts off a chord of length equal to length of the radius. मतलब ये जो है, ये chord जो है AB, इसकी डिस्टेंस भी 9 दे रखी है. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि ये जो ट्राइंगल है ये इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल है. अगर ये इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल है तो इसका एंगल कितना होता है इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल का? वो होता है 60 डिग्री. और 60 डिग्री को अगर मैं रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करूंगा तो इट विल बी π/3. सो s की वैल्यू मुझे फाइंड करनी है. s, व्हाट इज s? s इज इक्वल टू r थीटा. व्हाट इज r? r इज 9 एंड व्हाट इज थीटा? थीटा इज π/3. सो 3 1 जा 3, 3 3 जा 9. So answer is 3 pi. So I have got length of the chord as 3 pi. 3 pi what? 3 pi centimeter. So this is the answer. Got it?